Hey guys, today I wanted to share with you my strategy for dealing with trolls that are attacking your business. So this is a really good one. When it comes to people saying negative things about your business, you need to always respond to them, but respond to them in a positive and cordial manner. So be really friendly. Now there's two reasons you do this. Number one, it makes you look like you're a good person, and it makes the other person look like they're horrible. And the other reason is it makes it harder for someone to attack you and be negative about your brand when you're being nice to them. It's like giving someone a back massage when they're trying to kill you. You know, give that back massage to a tiger, it'll be purring in no time. Now, the second thing is, if people respond and they are aggressive towards the troll and attack the troll, what you need to do is you need to not get involved with that. You need to stay back from it, wait for a day, then get in contact with the person who responded back and fought on your side and helped you. What you do is you say, thank you so much for your support, I really appreciate it, and you give them some sort of advantage from that. So let's say you're a restaurant, you'll give them a percentage off food next time they come in. Say, yeah, we'll just make it for the cost of the ingredients. You know, you can have everything at cost for a meal when you come in with us. And this is good because it will breed reciprocity with your brand. And what will happen is people will really appreciate it and they'll never forget that time, and they'll be ready to protect you the next time it comes. And the next time it comes, you do exactly the same thing. Be nice to the trolls and also reward the people who help you. And this kind of cycle is really good because it takes advantage of a situation that could end up hurting you. And what it does is it gives you customers that will want to come back and feel appreciated. They will want to fight for you and they'll want to be your loyal army. And it will help build a spirit within them that is like, oh, I like this business, they appreciate me, which is really great. And on top of that, you're reducing the chances of people coming on and being negative to you, because a lot of the time when people want to fight with each other online, they just want to start a big brawl over nothing, all right? They're angry or upset with certain things going on in their lives. But the thing is, if you are nice to people and you're friendly and polite, it's very hard for them to keep attacking you. And the best way to make your business look good and to retain customers and also to build your customer base and to get people talking about you and spread word of mouth is to just really appreciate those people that support you. Because the thing is, they'll tell their friends, they'll be like, oh hey, this business gave me something, I did this for them, and then other people may start showing an interest in your business. So it's a really good thing if you can turn things around and just own that personal profile. Doesn't matter what site it's on, whether or not it's Facebook, whether or not it's Google, doesn't matter. The important thing is, if you're getting in contact with people, if you can't get an immediate response, say, hey, can you send us an email to the people who support you? So let's say it's like Google Business Profile and you don't get a response. It's always good to put a reply to the people who've supported you and say, you know, hey, can you get in touch, please? We'd really love to talk to you. Just be really friendly, really kind, and really generous, because generosity breeds reciprocity, and that will help your brand, it will help you grow, and you are going to succeed if you just take this strategy and use it if anyone ever attacks you. Anyway, you take care and have a lovely day.